about to go to the east. Are you saving your money now to buy land in Zion Estate? Because it will develop like this place. If you don't have 100 million now, you can't buy a plot of land in this estate. When we came here, everywhere was desert. The presence of Zion brought development here. This place is the most expensive place in the whole of Kotako. Why? Zion. The same Zion is going back home.
Hello my wonderful people, how on that day? Okwadeli, Bonnie, Tony, Noni, Semi, Shina, Sa. Yes, so guys, this is Zion Vlog TV. Guys, yes, as you heard in the previous video, the video that just played now, where our daddy in the Lord, Evangelist Chukwuebuka Nonzie has said it, yes, so that you guys should go and get a land from our new site, our permanent site in Imo State. So this is government house, and the man you're seeing at the middle is Reverend Father Kennedy. You know him now. He is the main person that is in charge of this land, one of the committee member. He knows where Zion Ministry land started and where it ends. He is the one that has been running around for this project, fighting with other members to make sure that this project is sealed in Imo State. And finally, guys, good news. Wow, good news. It has been sealed. Yes, the government of Imo State, His Excellency Hope Uzodinma, has approved it, and everything has been sealed, done and dusted. There is nothing like doubt again. No more doubt for you to doubt and say like some people are doubting it. No, you don't need to doubt it. Air Prayer Movement Outreach has come to stay in Imo State. Yes, guys. Yes, so start rushing down to Ngopala and go and get your own land. Go and get your own land. Did you hear what Daddy said? Go, because, hey, guys, to avoid Makwara, to avoid Hadaino. You know that now. People will always come up and say, hey, Hadaino. Hadaino always come at last. So don't be among the people that will shout and cry, Hadaino. People are buying land right now in Ngopala. Yes. Okay, go and get it. Watch this video till the end and hear what Daddy said.
What is your plan? Because I am everywhere. Give me vision. When I came here, that year I came here, water. The kind of mission you have, you are not collecting tithes. You are not talking about tithes. You are not doing bazaar. You are not doing first fruits. You are not taxing people like other men of God. If you don't embark in something that can help you, you cannot be able to run ministry.
Nobody knows Ago, but Zion Ministry came to Ago and look at it. Everywhere, the development, that place was like nothing. A place that they used to dump refuse, dead body, and all that. But Zion Ministry entered and it became something else. The same thing is going to happen in Imo State. Yes, the same thing is going to happen in Ngopala, because according to that, it's going to make that place like a tourist center where people all over the world will come. You would like to come there to see, for sightseeing and all that. Okay, so be part of the development, be part of this movement. You can be part of it. This is your opportunity to get a better place. Like people that have been looking for what to do and want to invest, you are looking for what to do, you're thinking or looking for where to invest your money. Go and get your land at Ngopala. Yes, go get your land and be part of this development. Okay, because guys, you will not understand. Be careful, don't fall a victim. Please don't fall a victim. You know, where there is good, There is also bad people. Yes, bad eggs has entered. Like people that you see somebody that have already bought the land, they have sold the land, and you meet them, they will sell it to you, not knowing that land has already been sold. So be careful before you buy a land. Do your investigation. Yes, do your proper investigation. Make sure that people that matters, they are involved, will sign for you. If possible, if you can get the king, the igwe, fantastic. But notwithstanding, people are still buying land, genuine land. Try and buy a genuine land. Don't fall into the wrong hand. History has been made. Finally, here we are. Finally, after all the dragging, people fighting to make sure that it didn't work. Finally, here we are. Zion is already in Imo State. Wow. Congratulations to Zion. Thank you, our able governor of Imo State, for signing and sealing the contract. Finally, allowing Zion Ministry to come to Imo State. Yes, so that's good. Like some people that said, oh, I want to hear from the horse's mouth. Our daddy has not spoken. You have heard it. Have you heard it or have you not heard it? You've heard it from the horse's mouth. It is true. Zion has come to stay in Imo State. No going back. Backward never, forward ever. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Most importantly, turn on your bell notification for more updates, because I'm gonna be bringing to you guys back to back of all that is happening, what is going on. Yes, subscribe and be blessed. Zion will move. Yes, so bye guys, love you. It's just those my people that they know that this land has been sold, they want to resell it. So don't be in a haste, or if you are buying land, it's not something that you hurry. If you want to buy a land right now in Ngoba, don't be in a haste. Yes, we know that as time goes on, the prices are increasing, you know. Yes, but the thing is that make sure you know everything, do your investigation proper before you pay. So for more inquiry, you can take my phone number on the comment section and contact me. If you need my help, what am I here for? I'm here for you. I'm available. Yes, I can help you.